Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 1, because before the vacation I just used to teach you SST through Wilings, but our principal has decided that after the vacation I just shoot the videos for you, and so that whatever the problem and what is the chapter is there, that I can go through the line by line and I will just teach you and I will explain you thoroughly the page. And before starting the chapter, I think that you have not got any problem to complete your holiday homework and project work, because I have given much easier so that you can complete down it in a very easiest way. And I just request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members, because we all know that we are in very pandemic virus like COVID-19, and it's better that we can enjoy the online classes and we can spend quality time like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can read the book also, you can complete your work also. So once the school will open, I will ask you the all homework and you have to show me all the homework. So it's better that you can complete your all homework and you can show me once the school will open. Now after finishing this chapter, I will give you the question answer and objective types, so that you can complete down in your fair copy. And I think I know you know that how to complete it in your copy. So it's your starting chapter, so first of all you have to put the date, like when I give you the homework, so date, then you have to write down the chapter 1, chapter name, our universe, and then after you have to write down the new words, then exercises are there. So I hope that you will not get any problem. The homework I will upload you on the website of Hotfoot International School. You will go through there and you can just check your homework in PDF, and then you can complete your all work. Now let's start the chapter, and I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So if you do you have the book, if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So I'm reading. If you have the book, then please open your starting chapter 1. It's page number 7. I'm reading, you also read with me. So when we look up at the night sky, what do we see? Suppose that it's the night time, and if we look at the night sky, then what do we see? Just don't see the book, just think that what we will see. So what we will see, the stars, moons. We will see the stars and moons. Yeah, it's just a common answer that yes, we will see the stars. Now just go through the book. Now we see the stars. Stars are what? Stars are large ball of hot burning gases. Stars is what? Stars are a very big and large ball of hot burning gases. Hot burning gases. Next, what do we see in the morning sky? Suppose it's in the morning, and if we will go outside, then what we will see in the sky? Then we will see what? We will see the sun. We will see the sun. The sun is a star too. In fact, the sun is what? It's also a star. It gives us heat and light. It gives us what? It gives us heat and light. It looks bigger and brighter than other stars. In fact, once you will look the stars is what? It's look very small, and sun is what? Sun is like a big ball of fire. Now it is because it is nearer to the earth, because the sun is, it looks very big rather than the stars. Because what? Because the sun is what? It's very nearer to the earth. It is very nearest to the earth. If you look at the sky through a telescope, means like through a telescope, if you will see the sky, you will see a vast space, means you will see a very big space are there. So this is our universe. So that space is what? That space is called our universe, our world, our universe. The universe contains thousands of stars. So in universe we have what? We have thousands of stars. So in universe what? We have thousands of stars, planets and other heavenly bodies. And other heavenly bodies are there. Next, a large group or cluster of stars means a large group is there or a cluster of stars. Clusters of star like a group of things of the same kind, like grabs. So we can see a bunch of something, a dozen of eggs. So like that here, a cluster of stars is called what? Is called a galaxy. It's called galaxy. So a large group or cluster of stars, please underline it, from a large group, that to whom we call the galaxy. What is called a galaxy? Then you can underline from a large group or cluster of stars. A large group or cluster of stars is called a galaxy. Is called a galaxy. There are many galaxies in the universe. So in the universe there are different types, many galaxies are there. Now the universe. The universe, your first topic is the universe. How was the universe formed? One question is there, that how was the universe formed? Just go through the chapter and page and then we can see the next sentence. Many years ago, many years ago, there was a big explosion or a bang. Means there was what? There was a very big explosion or a bang, and a huge fireball was created. And a very huge big ball of fireball was created. The fireball is spread out over a vast space. So the fireball is what? That fireball, it is spread, means it just gone in a very large over a vast big space. As it slowly cooled, means when the cooled means the space is what? It's cooled. Teeny particles were formed. So from the big fireball, teeny particles were formed. After that, over many thousands of years, these particles, the smallest particles, come together. All smallest particles which was created from the fireball, that what? They just come together. All the tiniest particles, they just come together to form the heavenly bodies. Scientists believed that this is how the universe was created, and scientists believe that this is how the universe was created. How it's created? That many years ago, when there was a big explosion or a bang, then a huge ball of fire was created, and then after that fireball, it is spread out in a very big space, and when it cooled down, the all teeny particles it were formed, and then afterward these all smallest particles it come together to form heavenly bodies, and then the scientists believe that this is how the universe was created. This idea is what? It is known as the Big Bang theory. So this is to whom those scientists believed it, they belong from where? Big Bang theory. So these ideas is known as what? Is known as the Big Bang theory. We live on the planet Earth. We all know that we lived on the planet, we all know that. Now next, what is written, that we will see in the next video, in the lecture number 2. So please guys, watch the lecture number 2. Till that, please stay at home, be safe, and enjoy your vacation, enjoy your online classes. Thank you and have a nice day.